Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. How you guys are doing great. So, in today's tutorial, we are going to be doing a petty flyer. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get down to business of today. So, after that, you have to click on your plus button. I'm sorry. You have to go to my gallery to find a picture, to find a background picture that I use. So, I guess it is around there. So this is it. So after that, just click on relative position. Sorry, relative size. Then increase it. Goes. After you increase it, the next step to going is to go to your color filter. Then you change the hue to something minus 95. Then the saturation to something minus 43. So just leave the brightness. But it's okay. Just leave it. Just leave it at 0. Good. So after that, next step to be doing is lock it. So after you lock it, then you're going to be going to click on your plug button again. Then click on shape. So after you click on shape, so just click on your gradient color. Then I'm going to be giving this gradient color. This is the gradient color I'm giving it. Good. So this is just blue and black. So you can actually do it on your own. So after that, the next thing you're going to be using is to click on it. Then let's say you want to reduce it. Just go to your opacity. Then you reduce it into it. You reduce something like 90. So you look like this. So you lock it again. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this shape again. I'm sorry. You click on your text. Then you write Saturday. Good. So after you raise Saturday, the next thing you're going to be going is to go to your font. Then you Bebasnue font. Bebasnue. So after that, just increase it. Increase the size to something like this. So after you increase it, just set it at the middle. At the middle, good. So after that, go to your color. Then you give it this color. So this is the color code 0090FF. 0090FF. So that is color code for it. So sorry. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to duplicate it. So after you duplicate it, then you go to your shadow. So enable the shadow, give it the same color, this blue. So leave it at 10 like that. You just place it on top of it. Go to your relative position again. Then make sure so after that, duplicate it again. Go to your shadow again. Then increase the radius to something 18 or yeah, 15 is okay. So after that, you go to your relative position again. Then place it. So can you see it right now? So you can actually go to your shadow. Let's reduce this stuff. So I think 12 is okay for you to go. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this, click on your layer, then you meshed everything together. So after you mesh it together, the next thing you're going to be going, so go to your shadow, and your shadow, then you give it black shadow. So something like this, okay, then give it black shadow. So good. So after that, just place it all around there. And make sure it's at the middle, because your relative position is at the middle. Good. So duplicate it again. You're going to place it under it. So under it. So just drag it down. Drag it down. Good. So duplicate it again. Drag it down. Good. So yeah, moving forward. So after that, the next thing you're going to do is to click on your shape. Click on shape. Then click on gradient color. After you click on gradient color, click on plus. So after you click on plus, click on this play you are seeing the pink. Then just set this one to something like this. Good. Then the dance side should be the blue we are using. So I think this is the dance side. Good. So you're good to go. So after that, just increase it. Good. So you can actually lock all this right now. Lock everything. Lock it. So after you lock it, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my plus button, click on the gallery. Then I'm going to bring out an image. So this is the image I'm going to be using. So after that, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to your 3D rotate. Then you rotate it with Y axis. Good. So just increase it a little bit. Increase it. Then bring it down here. Good. So make sure it's at the middle. Good. So after that, the next thing you're going to be doing right now is to lock it again. So after you lock it, just click on this plus button. You click on test, then you write after work. So after you write after work, then you go to your font again, then change the font to something. So I'm using business admin, yeah, business signature demo. So after that, just increase it a little bit. Increase it, then you place it somewhere around there. Okay, just make sure it's at the middle. Okay, somewhere around there. So look like this. So after that, the next thing is to duplicate it again. Then you change the color to this blue we are using. Then you place it on top of it. So you can actually leave it like this. So about that, the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on test. Then you write the dates they are doing the stuff. Price 8 August 2022. Then you give it this stroke. Then you write the time they are starting this. So let's guess 1 a.m. So give it calculator. So after that, just come to your position key. Sorry, your font. Then change it to outfit medium. So I'm using outfit medium for it. So after that, you have to decrease it a little bit. Then you place it around there. So let it be balanced. So good. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to click on this shape again, then place it by this side, then give it the blue color, then place it at the middle. Then copy this, duplicate it, then you write DJ Blue present. Good. So just put it all around there. So let's do this one a little bit. So just set it to be at the middle, okay? Good. So this at the middle. So let's work on this and this one. Good. So it is actually okay like this. So what is the next step we are taking? So the next step we are taking is to click on this your plus button, click on shape, then just something like this, then drag it to this side. Drag it here. Good. Then give it this blue color. So after that, the next thing now is to let's position it very well to this upside. Good. So after you are done, so the next thing now is to click on this 8th August. Click on it, then drag it to this side, then write 18 plus event. 18 plus. Good. So you have to zoom your work, zoom it to see what you're doing. So increase it so let it be aligned with this. Good. So after that, next thing I'm going to do is to duplicate it, then write event. So then you're going to reduce it. Let's edit the same with this. Good. So let's zoom it back and see what we are doing. Good. So I need to do something, bring it up a little bit to go up so that we can. Good. So about that, next thing I'm going to do is to bring out the shape again. Sorry. Click here, plus button, then bring out the shape again. Shape. So after that, just click on this. So just make sure it is on top of this place. So drag this something like this. So do something like this. Then change it to this. Good. So can you see it? So after that, what is the next thing we're going to be doing? So the next thing we're going to be doing is to click on this 18 plus, duplicate it, then drag it to this place. Then you write entry. So capture data. Then use it. Then zoom your work. Zoom your work. So just zoom it. So you're going to put it somewhere around there. So let it be the same with this. After that, you fill it again. Then you write the amount. So let me start with 3. So this is the amount. Just for practice sake. Then increase it. Increase a little bit. So after you increase a little bit, I want it to be aligned with that Y. So go to your spacing. Then you click on space. Then you give it a little bit space. Good. So can you see it? What you're doing right now? Good. So I think we are good to go. No, I still need a little bit spacing again. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to let's see what we are doing. So what are we going to be doing right now is to click on this and let's check the alignment if they are aligned together or not. So we'll know what we are going to be doing. So it seems they are not aligned together. So can you see it? So what are we going to be doing? So just click on this, and let me drag it to the back side. Good. So can you see right now? So I'm going to do. So after that, what is the next thing I'm going to be doing? So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to click on this my play button, click on shape, then click on this, something like this, then change to this color, upgrade it, then bring it down. So just bring it down, just something like this and bring it down. So it's okay. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this, any one of them. So let's actually decrease this one a little bit, it's too big. So let's decrease it a little bit. So you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday. Wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. So let me give this one a little bit spacing. It's a big spacing. Everyone knows you're doing well. So well. Good. So we're good to so we're good to go. So we're good to go. So let's zoom in. Let's see what we're doing. So far so good. So after that, just click on this event. Then you write the location. So I'm going to be writing the location of my choice. At so let me say I want to use this location for it. That's what we're going to be doing. So just drag it down and place on top of this. So after you drag it down, just give it a little bit spacing. Go to your spacing, then give it a little bit spacing, something like this. Then you place it at the middle. Go to your relative position, place at the middle. So this end of the tutorial. So this is actually how I got this design. So just save it as a project and save it as image. Save it as PNG as very high ultra. So I don't want to save it because I've saved it before. So thank you for watching up to now. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get more updates from this channel. Thank you for watching up to now.
Smile.